Most people get this wrong. They think all cycling apps just track speed and distance. But the surprising truth about Xert is that it's a performance-focused training platform designed to make every ride smarter. When I started using Xert, the first thing I noticed was its focus on personalized training. The app analyzes your power data from past rides and predicts fatigue, fitness, and recovery in real time. This means your training becomes adaptive. You are always riding at the right intensity to improve. Xert also provides structured workouts, suggested intervals, and performance charts that are incredibly detailed. You can connect it to a smart trainer or power meter, and it will adjust the resistance automatically during workouts. For outdoor rides, it calculates optimal power zones to maximize gains while minimizing overtraining. Another standout feature is the signature Xert Fitness Signature. It quantifies your cycling ability and adapts workouts as your fitness changes, which is something most apps don't do. Over time, this creates a very precise roadmap for improvement. However, there's a learning curve. The app's interface can feel overwhelming at first if you're new to power-based training, and some features are premium only. But once you understand it, Xert becomes a powerful tool for both amateur and competitive cyclists. In conclusion, Xert is ideal if you take your cycling seriously and want a data-driven approach to training. It's not just about logging rides, it's about improving every pedal stroke and understanding your performance better. Subscribe for more honest cycling app reviews to help you train smarter and ride stronger.